Hello folks, welcome again to my channel in this very nice afternoon. In this video we want to see how easy it is to put some air in the tires, especially with these ones. This motorcycle is 2017. They don't have the valve steams and angle, as you can see right here, so it's kind of difficult to put some air. We want to use the extension to the valve stem, and it's very easy to put some air in the tires. As you can see, the end of the hose, like this pump, it's kind of hard to reach right here, this angle on the valve stem and the tire. And I mean, front tire or rear tire is the same thing. If your bike have like this kind of a valve, so you have to play around to try to fit the pump to the valve stem. So in this case, we're gonna use this extension. I'm gonna show you how. So you can connect the end of the pump to the end to the valve, extension valve, and then right here you can put the extension like this, and it's easy to use. So you can pump your you can set up your pump whatever PSIs you need it, and then start pumping up. Then, like I said, it's very easy to use, and then it's not expensive, so you can do service on your tires in 5 minutes. And this is the rear tire, and then it's the same configuration in this bike. Hard to reach and connect the pump, so you have to play and blah blah blah. So like I said, with the extension, set it up your pump like this, and then easy to connect. Again, just take it out, and that's it. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.